How to change password in the Roblox. So let's get started. So go into your Roblox. So now once you are in here, you have to click on this more icon that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to go in the settings. Click on the account info. So now once you are in the account info, here is the option of the my settings. You have to go in it, and here is the option of the login methods. Below that you have the option of the password. You have to click on this edit icon. Now here you have to add your current password, and once you add your correct current password, you are able to add the new password, and you have to confirm the password and simply click on the update. And that's how you can change the password in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.